Hey there, my name is Amethyst with WTI, and it is raining stickers over by my area. I recently got this 100 pack of stickers, and as someone with a small business with physical products, I love throwing little stickers in as freebies, and I'm super excited for my customers to receive these. These are some of the cutest stickers I've ever gotten. The design is basically just a little bottle with some sort of Pictionary in it. These range from animals to landscapes to fungi to beautiful night skies and everything in between. I absolutely love the variety of these. As you can see, they are absolutely beautiful. Something else that I love is they're die cut, so whether you're giving them as a freebie for a product or you're giving them to friends and family, they're really easy to hand out, and they're all uniform sizing as well, which is awesome. And something else that I really love about these is they are nice and glossy, and the color doesn't rub off when you rub on them. A lot of types of stickers can sometimes tend to do that, but these ones are nice and secure, and when you scratch at them, they don't cause any kind of scratches in the picture. So I love these so very much. I cannot express how absolutely adorable these are. I'm super excited to steal a couple for myself instead of giving them to the customers. But with that said, I hope that you check these out. They're absolutely adorable, and that is my point of view.